Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Polygon Matic, guys. What's up guys? What's the price changes occur in the Polygon? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos about Polygon Matic. So guys, I notice the changes of the Polygon is going good in the market, and due to these positive changes, I really appreciate Polygon Matic for investment. Now you can see here guys, last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the Polygon in the market is positive. And furthermore, 1.68 USD dollar, 1.68 cent is the price of the Polygon Matic. And guys, you know what, I really appreciate Polygon for investment also, because the changes is positive, and if the changes is positive, that means that it is a profitable coin. And very soon guys, at the last of August, Polygon is going to hit at 2 USD dollar. $2 will be the price of Polygon at the last of August. So guys, those people who want to sell Polygon, no, don't do this mistake guys. You know what guys, August month is a holding month, not a selling month. If you sell, so you lose your money, remember that. Now from the price chart, wow, you can see here, just look here, the right now situation of the Polygon, really a massive jump occur by a Polygon. But guys, does not mean then you decide to sell. Just hold for a long time, everything will be okay. Also okay guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.